Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the Samsung Galaxy A15A 155 M128GB dual SIM GSM unlocked Android smartphone, the Latin America version. If you're looking for an affordable yet powerful smartphone, stick around because this one might just surprise you. All right, let's unbox this beauty. Inside the box we have the Samsung Galaxy A15 itself, a USB-C charging cable, a 15W fast charger. Yes, it's included. A SIM ejector tool and some quick start guides. First impressions? The Galaxy A15 looks sleek. It has a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, which means smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. The bezels are slim, and the Infinity U notch houses the 13-megapixel selfie camera. The back has this glossy finish, and our unit is in this cool, awesome blue color. It also comes in black and light blue. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor doubles as the power button, and it's pretty fast. Under the hood, this phone packs the MediaTek Helio G99 processor, which is great for everyday tasks and even some gaming. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, expandable up to 1 terabyte with a micro SD card, perfect for storing all your photos, videos, and apps. Casual gaming? No problem. But don't expect ultra-high settings for heavy games. For social media, streaming, and multitasking, this phone handles it all smoothly. Now the cameras. The A15 has a triple camera setup, 50-megapixel main sensor, great detail in daylight, 5-megapixel ultra-wide for those wider shots, 2-megapixel macro, fun for close-ups. The 13-megapixel front camera takes decent selfies, and Samsung software helps with skin tones and HDR. Low-light performance is okay, but don't expect flagship-level night shots. For the price, though, it's pretty solid. With a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, this phone easily lasts a full day, even with heavy use. And with 15-watt fast charging, you can top it up quickly when needed. Since this is the Latin America version, it's GSM unlocked, meaning you can use it with most carriers worldwide. It also supports dual SIM functionality, great for travelers or people who need 2 numbers. So is the Samsung Galaxy A15 A155M worth it? Absolutely. For its price, you get a vibrant Super AMOLED display, solid performance for daily use, good battery life, decent cameras, and long-term software support. If you're looking for a budget-friendly Samsung phone that doesn't cut too many corners, the Galaxy A15 is a great pick. Have you tried the Galaxy A15? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this review helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next videos. Thanks for watching.